Imagine a garden without good soil, no nutrients, no structure. Without a solid foundation, seeds struggle to grow into healthy plants. Now, think of the agile world. That garden represents the challenges we face when enablers are missing. Enablers are like the soil, providing flexibility and adaptability to keep product development strong. Many believe enablers came from agile, not safe, because agile came first and influenced safe. It's like an older sibling introducing a term, and the younger one adopting it. However, safe made enablers more prominent, using them to support the architectural runway for future business needs. Let's explore enablers and how they drive agility and value delivery. Before we start, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. First, let's see, what are enablers in SAFe? Enablers play a crucial role in delivering value to end users. They are categorized into 4 types: exploration enabler, architecture enabler, infrastructure enabler, and compliance enabler. Enablers support activities essential for expanding the architectural runway, which is crucial for future business functionalities. Enablers are a type of backlog item that requires sufficient capacity for implementation and should be clearly visible in the backlog. These activities are considered value-added development tasks subject to estimation, visibility tracking, work in progress, WIP, limits, and feedback processes. Now let's look at, what are the types of enablers in SAFe? Enablers in SAFe projects come in various types, each serving a specific purpose. Here are the common types of enablers. First is exploration. Exploration enablers help agile teams understand user needs and possible solutions through research and experimentation. They are useful when the team is unsure about product requirements at the start. The goal is to gain clarity and knowledge early in the project. If the team doesn't know the best interface or technology, they can test different options instead of guessing. This reduces risks and leads to better decisions. In short, exploration enablers provide valuable insights upfront, making product development clearer and more focused. Next is architectural. Architectural enablers are tasks or activities that focus on enhancing the overall system architecture to support the development of new features and capabilities. These enablers address architectural concerns and ensure the system's scalability, performance, and long-term sustainability. Architectural enablers are crucial in establishing what SAFe calls the architectural runway. The architectural runway represents the foundation and infrastructure needed for smooth and efficient development, allowing agile release trains, ARTs, to deliver value more effectively. These enablers contribute to the overall agility and effectiveness of the development process within the SAFe framework. Next is infrastructure. Infrastructure enablers in SAFe are tasks that support and improve a project's technical and operational setup. They help build and maintain a strong foundation for developing, testing, deploying, and running software. These enablers include setting up and managing development environments, automation tools, integrations, performance tuning, and monitoring. By focusing on these areas, SAFe organizations can work more efficiently and deliver high-quality software faster. And last is compliance. Compliance enablers in SAFe are like guides that help agile teams follow rules and regulations. They focus on making sure the work meets certain standards or requirements. These enablers help manage specific compliance activities, such as verification and validation, VANV, audits, approvals, and policy automation. For example, when a project needs to follow specific industry or government regulations, compliance enablers ensure that the work aligns with those rules. They act as a support system, helping the team navigate and fulfill compliance tasks. In simpler terms, compliance enablers are like rule keepers who ensure that the project follows all the necessary laws and standards, ensuring a smooth and compliant development process. But, how to create enablers in SAFe? Well, creating enablers involves breaking down the process into different levels of abstraction, including enabler epics, enabler features, and enabler stories. Here's a simplified guide. First is enabler epics. Enabler epics are high-level initiatives representing a group of related enablers. Start by identifying the broader areas where enablers are needed, creating enabler epics to encapsulate these themes. Next, identify enabler features and capabilities. Break down enabler epics into smaller components called enabler features and capabilities. These represent more detailed aspects of the enabler initiatives. Features focus on the what, while capabilities highlight the how. Lastly, create enabler stories. Develop enabler stories as the smallest units of work. These are actionable tasks that contribute to achieving enabler features and capabilities. Each story should be clear, specific, and achievable within a single iteration. Now let's look at what are the advantages of enabler in SAFe. First, faster adaptability. Enablers help prepare the groundwork for upcoming features or projects. This proactive approach allows teams to adapt more quickly to changes in requirements or priorities, enhancing overall agility. Next, reduced risks. Enablers help mitigate risks associated with architectural, infrastructure, and compliance aspects early on by addressing these aspects. This proactive risk management contributes to a smoother and more predictable development process. Next, improved collaboration. Enablers often involve cross-functional collaboration. Teams working on enablers, such as exploration or architectural enhancements, collaborate closely to ensure a shared understanding of requirements and design, fostering stronger teamwork. Next, enhanced visibility. Including enablers in the backlog provides visibility into the preparatory work required for upcoming features. This transparency enables better planning, resource allocation, and coordination across teams. Next, efficient resource allocation. Enablers allow teams to allocate resources effectively. By identifying and working on necessary activities in advance, teams can streamline their efforts, preventing bottlenecks and optimizing available resources. Next, quality assurance. Compliance enablers ensure that the work aligns with specific standards, regulations, or policies. This emphasis on compliance contributes to higher quality outcomes and reduces the likelihood of issues related to non-compliance. Next, continuous improvement. Iteratively creating and managing enablers provides opportunities for continuous improvement. Teams can gather feedback, evaluate the effectiveness of enablers, and make adjustments in subsequent iterations, enhancing the overall development process. Next, strategic planning. Enablers support strategic planning by addressing foundational elements necessary for future business functionalities. This strategic approach ensures that the development process aligns with the long-term goals of the organization. Next, cost savings. Proactively addressing architectural and infrastructure needs through enablers can lead to long-term cost savings. It helps avoid issues caused by neglecting these aspects and prevents the need for major rework or corrections later in the development cycle. Last but not the least, customer satisfaction. Enablers contribute to the overall quality and adaptability of the product. By addressing foundational elements, teams can deliver features more smoothly, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction. So, that's it. Enablers in SAFe are essential for building a strong foundation in agile development. They help teams explore, innovate, and stay compliant, while ensuring smooth and efficient product delivery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on Agile and SAFe topics. See you in the next video.